Python list comprehension. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you want to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. So let's try this. Let's work with our fruits list again. So let's assume we want to create a new list from this list. Remember we've used some methods previously. So we can say new list is equal to an empty list. So we make this an empty list because we want to append new values to it. So what if we want to create a list of all the fruits that has A inside of them? What do? We say for X in fruits, or let's say for fruits in fruits, okay. So for fruit in fruits, if we have A in fruits, any of the fruits, then what should we do? We should append. So new lists will be appended with each of the new fruits. All right. So at the end of it, we can print the new list. So let's see. So let's print this out to see. If I run this, you see what we have: apple, banana, mango. This is because, first of all, we did a for loop to go through all the values of this list. Then we checked if any one of them has A inside of it. So each apple has A, banana has A, mango has A. Then we decided to create a new list with those. We assigned it to the new list, which is an empty list already. So it added the 3 new values inside of the new list. This is basic list comprehension. A shorter way to do this would be, instead of doing this long one, we can write it like this. So we say new list is equal to fruits in fruit. So fruits for fruit in fruits. Okay, so fruit for fruit in fruits, if A in fruit. Okay, so let's run this and see if we have the same response. We have the same thing. So what we've done is we've created a shorter form of doing this. So instead of doing the for loop and the if and the appending, we can do it all in just one line. So it's the same thing, it's the same output, but different ways to get to the result. So this is just a short introduction to list comprehension. There is a lot you can do with list comprehension, but I just wanted to touch on this topic so that we can have an overview of what list comprehension is, and it's basically creating a new list from a previous list. See you.